So I want to do a little experiment. I've got these screws, bolts, what are they called? Bolts. And they came from this area over here. And as you can see, they are really rusted. Zinc plating would be a lot better, but it is a lot more involved. I could also buy new ones, would set me back about 30 euro. But I want to do a bit of a quick and dirty way. Something else is to quench these in oil. So what I'm basically going to do is I'm going to take off the rust that's on this with a wire brush, so really rough, all the protection is gone, and then get this really hot in some coals, so I'm firing outside right now. When they're really hot, dunk them in oil, like basic motor oil, so like used oil, and I'm told that will give you a protection layer. So it's always going to be more than the bare stuff that is now, because all the protection is gone because it's really rusty. So can never get any worse than this. Are you sure? It's worth a try, and let's see how it pans out. So first I need to get up all the rust. I just put the bolts in the vise, and then they should come out like this. Now this process is actually going to cost me €0, so that's always a good thing, I think, and it's worth a try. So I have some motor oil, the old one from this GL500, in a tin can, and the fire is going. The bolts are in here, and it's really hot, as you can see. So I'm just going to leave these for like as long as I can, and they're going to be screaming hot. And then I'm just going to dunk these into the oil to cool them, and then they should come out like black-ish, black probably, and they should be some sort of weather protected, at least more than they were. So it's an experiment. It may fail completely. You might think I'm stupid, but it's worth a try, isn't it? I was stupid to begin with. So.
You said it!
Let's see what the fire does. Get this, get that. Are they hot? Yes, I think they are. Witchcraft. Let's do. Damn it. I need a smaller thingy. Alright. So let's see how hot this oil is. Alright. 180 degrees. And this is high. I don't know what high is, but that's some serious hot stuff. So better be careful with it. I picked it up with this glove. Boy, let's take a look. So these are copper washers. They look terrible. Now what? There they are. Pretty smelly, but they're black. All right, let's just put these in place. So the bike has been sold and has been used for a couple of months. This was what they looked like before I treated them, and this is what they look like now, even after at least 6 months of riding, also in the rain. I think the result is pretty good. Obviously zinc plating would be better, or buying new ones, but this cost me absolutely nothing, and it works. So that was the video on the quenching in oil of the old bolts. These are really old bolts, they're really rusted, so it seemed to be working fine so far. The bike's been out riding also in the rain, and so far they're holding out pretty good. I think if you do a bit more intensive riding than the owner of the other bike does, it may go quicker, I don't know. So far it looks pretty good, and it's a simple and easy way, especially if you've got the barbecue going like I did. So yeah, see if you use it. Zinc plating of course will be a lot better, but it's a lot more involved and you need a lot of stuff to do that, and this is just simple and easy. Yeah, so that's it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.